Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. My name is Fazilah Othman. I'm System Analyst at Anti-Doping Lab Qatar, and I work in an in-house software development team, and the function of this team is to provide IT solution by developing customized software to support the business in the organization. My function, my role as system analyst is, I just give you an example. Let's say we have a lab department, and we have the lab director who want to have a lab information management system. So instead of him going out and buy ready-made lab information management system, which is normally expensive, and maybe this software will not offer 100% of what they need, we can propose IT solution by developing a customized lab information management system for the lab. So as a system analyst, my role is, I can, in simple word, I'll be like a middle person between the non-IT people and also my team. So whenever this requirement, this request, we have this kind of request, I will meet the end user. I would ask them, what is your process in the lab, what is the step-by-step process flow in the lab, and what do they expect from the new software to help to solve their problem in the lab. So by gathering all this information, by using my ICT knowledge, I analyze the requirement, and I prepare a requirement document, and I prepare a technical document. So this technical document, basically the transformation of the business information into a technical information, where when I pass this technical document to software developers, to the programmers, they know what are the modules that they have to develop and what's the end product software will be. So that is basically one of the main role as system analyst in IT department. So next, what do I enjoy about my ICT role? I appreciate being in ICT, having an ICT career for several reasons. First, I love to see whenever we help applying ICT in to our colleague. Okay, I see them; they are happy using the IT solution that we provide. Normal simple tasks, for example, like before this, they have a form which they fill by hand with handwriting, and the problem with having this form is, of course, it uses lots of paper, and sometimes there is spelling mistake, and sometimes the handwriting is messy, so other colleague cannot read what's written on the form. So by transforming this hard copy form into digital or online form, it helps if we can put some more interactive features inside the form, and we can put some drop-down menu, and it makes filling up the document as easier than before. And then again, we also help the environment by having paperless solution. So everything is on screen, they only print whenever it is necessary. So that are the things that I really enjoy in my ICT career. And I have another one, like personal appreciation. When I'm in ICT, I develop a soft ICT skill. It's like something that I can help my family, my friends, my colleague, like a simple software skills, a simple ICT skills like how to connect, how to install a new printer, how to connect wireless to their computer, and how to troubleshooting printer, for example, changing cartridge. All these soft skills I gain when I'm learning, and I'm working in ICT field. So that's how I appreciate my work here. And then how do I get started in ICT? Okay, I think it's about when I was in Form 3, Form 4, Form 5. That was between years 1995 to 1997. At that time, I know ICT was like so many things happen in information technology. Okay, but I'm talking about the surrounding that I had at that time. I heard that there is at that time there is not many websites as now. There is not many domains as you can see now. I heard that there is a link that you can put. You log into the internet. You put this link and you can see like information popping up in front of you. And then at that time, I heard about instant messenger where I just can type message like chatting with my friends, and people on the other point can read and reply to my message. And then all this technology happening around me make me curious, and make me interested to go to learn about ICT. And also I got early exposure at home and at school, where I use Microsoft program like Word, Excel, PowerPoint at that young age. Okay, and then from there it's really support my interest to go into ICT. I applied for bachelor degree in computer science at University Science Malaysia in 1999. So everything started from there. Tips for the girls. If any of you interested to consider IT careers in your future, I think it's a bright future for you, inshallah, because ICT skill is not about coding and being a programmer and software developer only, or hacking things. No, it's not that. It's more than that, because ICT is being applied in many areas. If you love engineering, you love mathematics, biology, linguistics, accounting, mathematics, ICT is there. Okay, and for example, I can give you a quick example. Like we have COVID-19 pandemics that we had since last year, and then you can see that's how the close example how ICT being applied in our daily life. We have it's how the normal school is being transferred into online data sharing platform that we have. Like you have a meeting or you have classroom through Microsoft Teams, through Zooms and other platform. So these are the close example, and you know that there are many people in ICT are working behind this platform to make this happen. So that's the close example that how the application of ICT in our daily life. If you are interested, I suggest getting involved with community engagement program. That what you had now is one of the great early exposure, because I know early exposure is very important. And then if you be curious, if you have any question, ask or look at the internet to see what are other job related to ICT. And another tips, I think, ask if you have father, mother, or your siblings or relative that work in ICT related field, you can go to them, ask them what do you do, what is your job, what's your position, what's your job scope, what do you do in your company. And by asking this question to them, I know they will be happy to explain everything to you. And by getting this kind of information, by people telling you in front of you, it gives you deeper understanding about ICT. Okay, I think that's what I have now, just a little sharing from me. So I wish you everyone have a fruitful event and good luck. Bye bye.